Hi guys, this is Mishak Mate. If you are yet to subscribe on our YouTube channel, please do so, as we'll be sharing a lot of content on a daily basis about current affairs and other educational content. So today I'll be talking about Julius Malema and Floyd Shivambu, mostly about their friendship, which seems to be sinking or which seemed to be non-existent. A lot of people may have thought that after Floyd Shivambu left the EFF, their friendship could have continued and all that, because they come a long way from, from the ANC and how they survived on the EFF, even though a lot of people always tried to separate the two, but at times they look inseparable. So, as you may have seen on yesterday's address, when Floyd Shivambu was talking about the decision to still be a member of MK, even though he's seeking to open his political home or party. So I think the better way for Julius Malema is that he should blue tick Floyd Shivambu, because Floyd Shivambu knows, as he comes from the school of Malema and all, he knows that when he talks about Malema or the EFF, as you may know, that EFF has a lot of presence, especially online and on social media. So if you're gonna attack or rather talk bad about the EFF, it's easy for you to gain media traction or media links or media clinks. So I think Julius should just blue tick Floyd so that it doesn't gain much in terms of support as he seeks to open his political party, which will be this year, probably next month or so. So I think the better way for for Julius Malema is to avoid and ignore Floyd by all means, because even yesterday and today, when I checked on Julius Malema's Twitter or X account, there was nothing that was talking or relating to Floyd, even though Floyd spoke some hateful words, but Malema didn't say anything. Instead, he just posted a picture of the EFF's top six, saying this is the right leadership. I'm sure he was answering Floyd, but indirectly so. So I think that's what he must do if he wants Floyd to not garner, enough support, or rather support from some of the EFF members or other voters who loved him. Because it's easy if someone like Floyd, who was loved by people, obviously not loved by people than Julius, but he was loved by people and some of the leaders. So that's why it's always the case that when a prominent leader leaves a political party, it's easy for other members and leaders to live with him. We've seen with the ANC when Thabo Mbeki left the ANC. We've seen again with Jacob Zuma when he left the ANC. So same applies. So I think Julius Malema should by all means try to ignore Floyd, so that a lot of people who will sympathize with Floyd, it won't be easy for those sympathizers to translate into votes or to translate into support. So I think Malema should just close his mouth and just log off out of X, so that it doesn't fuel this fight, because a lot of people are waiting to see what Julius Malema is going to say about all that Floyd said about Julius Malema. So yeah, we shall see how it unfolds, but I think the best decision from Malema should be to ignore Floyd, so that it doesn't garner support from the EFF. Thank you.